Welcome to Asking Questions Cheat Sheet, Part 5. Let's learn more everyday questions you can use naturally. Have you seen my keys? Can you turn the light on? Can you close the door, please? Do we need anything from the shops? What should we have for dinner? How was your day? Did anything interesting happen today? Do you need help with anything? What do you want to do tomorrow? Are you feeling okay? How was school today? What did you learn today? Did you eat your lunch? Do you have any homework? Who did you play with today? Do you live nearby? How long have you been living here? What do you like about this area? Do you come here often? Have you tried this place before? What do you do for fun? How did you get into that? How long have you been doing it? What do you enjoy most about it? Would you recommend it? Have you watched anything good lately? What kind of shows do you like? Is it worth watching? Who's in it? What's it about? Can you recommend a good place to eat? Do you know a good doctor around here? What's a good cafe nearby? Do you know anyone who can fix this? Where's the best place to buy this? Sorry, I'm a bit confused. Can you explain that another way? Which one should I choose? What does this mean? Can you show me an example? Could you please check this for me? I think there might be a mistake here. Can we sort this out? Is there someone else I can speak to? What can we do about this? Can you give me a minute? Could you wait here for a second? Can I get back to you on that? Would you mind waiting a little longer? Can we talk about this later? Can I just confirm the details? Is that correct? Did I get that right? So, we're meeting at 3, right? Can you double-check that for me? Should we leave it there for now? Can we continue this later? Is there anything else before we finish? Do you need anything else from me? Shall we wrap this up? Well done. Practice these questions again and again until they feel easy. Keep going and boost your fluency.